Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make these barefoot sandals. Summer is here and these are actually great for if you go on a vacations, or if you just like wear this, walk around your yard if you have a nice grass, or you know, if you go on the beach, these are great, perfect. Or if you have pools, your yard, and these are cute to show off your friends. And if you like to know how to make these, please stay tuned. Alright, so these are the material that you will need. So I use wire. I use these two brands, so whatever you're comfortable with. I will list these where you can get these. It comes in silver, gold, or stainless steel. And so stainless steel rings that will go right there, and then these are also the jump rings, but it has like double, you can see, so that will also go at the end. And then for crimp beads, I use silver, sterling silver. I got this from Amazon. I like this brand because it doesn't rust, it doesn't get rusty. And then the caps, beads caps, I use the same brand. I will also list these in the description below. Bugnle Beads in silver. These are Swarovski crystals, bicones. This is 4mm. This is 6mm. This is almost like also Swarovski crystals, fuchsia size 6mm. This is red rose or pink, bright pink, I guess we call it, and it's 4mm bicones. And then seed beads. This is size 11, and some other extenders. This is stainless steels, and that comes with the lobster glass. And then forgot the stainless steels. This is the brand that I use, but you can use whatever you have. And then some other tools that you will need. These are my main 4 tools that I use, and then perhaps some measurements like a ruler or something. Okay, so first you're gonna cut your wire 30 inches, and you're gonna pick 13 of these Bugnle beads. Okay, so here we have 13 pieces, and you bring these to the middle and grab the 2 tips of the wire, and then you take the 4mm bicones. So just bring it to the middle, to the end, and just gently pull it like that. Toast 1 seed bead on each side, and then you take the 6mm fuchsia, whichever color you have, and you insert the first one through there, and then the second wire you go opposite, which is from this hole, and like that, and you just pull it down. And then because you work with flexible wire, but you want to gently guide it and pull it slowly, because you don't want to it's not gonna break, but it's gonna bend. So then you bring down like this, and now grab seed bead on each side again, or it doesn't matter which side you work first. You grab 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, and 2 seed beads, whichever wire that you grab first. And then you on the opposite wire. So on the opposite wire, you grab 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, and 1 seed bead, and then you go to that first one. Since this one has 2, so you only need 1 seed bead, and then you take this opposite one and insert through opposite hole, and then pull it down slowly, and then now it looks like this. Alright, and then next you grab 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead. The same thing for the other side, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and you take the fuchsia 6 millimeters, and then insert opposite. One goes this way and the other end goes to that opposite hole, and you gently pull it down and bring it down like that. So basically we're just repeating what we started. Okay, so let's show you one more time. Okay, I'm gonna make, I count this as, see these four, the crystal. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, actually let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. Okay, so as you could see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is the length that I want, and it depends on how long you want this to be. So for me, the longest size is about 5 inches and the shortest size is about 3 inches, because I'm going to add extenders as well. So it's very straightforward. The pattern is very easy, and I'm going to show you one side first. Alright, so this is the patterns that I have. 1 Bugnle Beads, 4 millimeters, pink, bright pink bicones, crystal bicone, and 4 millimeters pink. So that you bring to the middle, and then you just repeat that until the length, for me, it's going to be 3 inches. Alright, so once I make 3 patterns, 3 sets, so that's 1 set, 2 sets, and then 3 sets, and then Bugnle Beads. And at this point, I'm gonna add beads, crimp beads, and then just insert it, and then one more set, and then crimp beads. Okay, let me show you. So this is the patterns. So crimp beads, regular, there you go. Crimp beads, 4 millimeters pink, 6 millimeters silver pink, and crimp beads. And then you grab the double one, the one that's double, this one, you insert through this. Oops. So you insert through, but now you're gonna hold, and then you go back to this one. Alright, so you go through this loop, and you take that wire and you go back to this crimp beads, these 3 bicones, crimp beads, and then to this Bugnle Beads, and you pull it and gently pull it a bit more, but not too tight, because you're gonna add some covers, so you need some room. You want beads to move around, not too tight. Okay, so right now you can leave it like this, or you can crimp it. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and then I'm gonna work the same thing on this side, the opposite side. But this side I'm gonna make about 5 inches, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets. But before I get to 6, I'm going to add my crimp bead, the same thing like I did on the other side. Crimp beads, again crimp beads, these patterns, and then the earring, and you insert that same wire back to these beads until you get to this Bugnle Beads. Alright, so before I crimp my beads, I want to make sure that everything the way I want it. Make sure you match with your other pair. Make sure it's not too tight, but yet not too loose, because you want your beads to move around a little bit. So now I am going to crimp these beads, and I'm going to use this tool. So I'm going to crimp that one, just go like that, and then the other one the same thing. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. Now to put the crimp covers, you can use the same tools. I like to use the same tools, but there is a different one that you can use. It doesn't matter for me. So this is the cover, and you just go to that beads that we just crimped, and you just gently I don't know if you can see, so you kind of place like that, and you use the same and just kind of close it, but carefully not to accidentally you know, clip your beads, because it will break. And make sure it's kind of closed nice and tight, because otherwise it will it's pretty good like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, second one again. Just lay the crimping and the covers like that, right? And then you just use that and then just close it slowly, but also make sure it's tight, because otherwise it'll fall. I mean, like not fall, but like it'll come off. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So once you do on both sides, you're gonna pull this wire and use this tool, and then just cut careful, don't cut the first one. And then now the extra piece, it's hiding inside of these Bugnle beads. So you're gonna do the same thing for this size too. Okay, so now to put everything together, again, you're gonna need these tools. So for the shorter side, I am gonna use lobster clasp. So you can open your ring like that, insert your lobster clasp, insert that ring, and then just close that. Okay, and then for the other one, you do the same thing. The same thing, you open it. This one, you use the extender, and then you just close the same thing. So now you know it fits any size. So I'm gonna show you the finished piece. Alright guys, this is the finished piece, and I liked it. They came out pretty good. The color is very vibrant, and you can actually do any colors that you like. Again, thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching, and if you do like these videos, feel free to share with your friends. And again, if you do make these, I would love to see yours. Again, thank you for watching.